Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making crispy and delicious Gol Samosa with a perfect spice potato filling and a crunchy homemade crust. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add half teaspoon coriander seed, 1 chopped green chili, half teaspoon cumin seed. Now sprinkle in half teaspoon sauce. Stir everything for a few seconds until aromatic. Add 1 tablespoon finely chopped onion. Cook until the onion becomes soft. Now add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix everything well. Season with half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon chili powder. Cook for 1 minute, stirring continuously. Finally add some fresh coriander leaves. Mix well and let the filling cool. Now let's prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ajwain, 2 teaspoon ghee. Rub everything together until the flour looks crumbly. Gradually pour in 1/3 cup water. Knead into a firm and smooth dough. Make a firm dough for crisp and flaky samosas. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now take a portion of the dough. Roll it into a long oval shape. Cut it into 2 halves. Spread little water along the edges. Fold the 2 edges together to form a cone. Fill it with the prepared potato mixture. Apply a little more water along the open edge. Fold and seal the samosas just as shown. Allow the filling to cool before stuffing to keep the dough easy to seal. Heat oil over medium heat. Carefully fry the samosas in batches. Cook until they become golden brown, crispy and perfectly crunchy. Your homemade Gol Samosas is ready, golden, crispy and filled with a delicious spiced potato mixture. These little treats are perfect for sharing with family and friends. Serve them fresh and enjoy every crunchy bite. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more easy snacks, traditional recipes, and delicious homemade treats.